Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Newport Beach, California. I'm actually right next door to Back Bay and we just started our brand new project. We're removing an old wood shake roof and installing a brand new Eagle Light tile system. So this roof has a lot of termite damage. We're also going to be doing all new shiplap, all new 1x3 and a bunch of other stuff. So let's take a look. So day 2 progress is actually really good. Like I said, day 1, the roof got completely stripped. Today we're addressing all the wood damage. So we got all the shiplap, the 1x4, and the plywood thrown down. We're probably gonna end up sheeting this thing almost all the way in the second day, and that's awesome because that means that we could call for inspection with the city of Newport Beach tomorrow. Mr. Dario, what are you doing today on the job?
Plywood tying.
Okay.
You have a lot of work to do.
Okay.
You have to put ADs in the seam and 10 on the Contractor.
Okay. So how long does it take you to plywood this?
Like day and a half.
Day and a half. You're savage. Yes. Okay. That's very good. And then what are we gonna do tomorrow? Wrap it up?
Nail it on plywood.
Alright, so tomorrow we're going to be taking off that roof over there. That thing's got to go. Mr. Dario's finishing up the plywood today with Chris and Tito. And then we're going to nail this off pretty much tomorrow so that the inspector will give us a sign off and then the material will get loaded. Thank you for your hard work. Alright guys, today is Friday, so let's do a week in review at the Newport Beach tile project. On Tuesday we started this job, which means on Tuesday I came with the dump trailer and we ripped off that old wood shake roof and threw it in the trash. That took us about one day. On Wednesday I came with 2x4s, 1x4s, extra shiplap, everything. We had to rebuild a lot of wood on this project. It had a lot of termite damage because it had an old wood shake roof, which termites love. So then on Thursday, I brought about 65 sheets of plywood down to the job, which in today's money is about $1 million. And we went ahead and threw that up. That took about 1.5 days. Today is Friday, and as you can see, we're wrapping up the plywood over here. I got Chris Snapchatting me to his friends. He thinks I'm embarrassing, but that's okay. So here's the material right here. We went with an Eagle Light tile. We got Eagle Light loaded it up. This is a flat grade charcoal tile. Cruise up the ladder and take a look at the wood. Alright, so today we also ripped off the garage, which we got the guys throwing down some 1x6 on here. There wasn't too much damage. We got some tin shingles going right here. And then here's a look at the plywood. Alrighty guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to break this up into a 2-part series because I wanted to showcase in this video how we removed the old roof, fix the termite damage, and install the new plywood. On the next video, we're going to be showing how we install the number 30 felt paper and the new Eagle Light tile. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see the next video, please click that subscribe button, and see you on the next one.